Over the last 15 years, the number of childhood deaths has been reduced by 50%. This proves that it is possible to win the fight against almost every disease. However, countries are still spending a lot of money on treating illnesses that are surprisingly easy to prevent. Sustainable Development Goal 3 is to achieve good health and well-being for everyone. It means eating healthy food and drinking clean, safe water. It means getting enough exercise and seeing a doctor regularly. It means being vaccinated to prevent the many diseases that can harm or kill. It is better to prevent sickness and disease than it is to treat it with expensive medicines. SDG 3 encourages countries to do the small, simple things that can keep their people healthy and happy. Here are some things that people can do to help achieve SDG 3. Find a health and wellness charity to support. Any donation, big or small, can make a difference. Vaccinate yourself and your kids. Protecting your family from disease also helps others. Donate your blood. Safe blood saves lives.